Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix the image too small error in your Google Merchant Center account. You're getting this error because there's an issue with your product images. This stops your product from showing in Google Shopping and free listings, which means no sales and no profits for these products. Thankfully, it's an easy fix. Let's get into it right now. First, head over to merchants.google.com and log in to your Google Merchant Center account. Let's now fix this error. On the left-hand menu, click on Products and then click on Needs Attention. Here, you'll see all your disapprovals and warnings. Okay, so we can see the error here, image too small. If we click on it, we'll show the products with this disapproval. These products are disapproved because they don't meet Google's guidelines for images. Google's minimum requirement is 250 by 250 pixels for apparel products and 100 by 100 pixels for all other products. While this is the minimum, the larger the image, the better. Your product images are what set you apart from your competitors in the shopping tab listings. The more you stand out, the more clicks you'll get, which means more sales for your store. Always use high quality images that grab the attention of potential customers, encourage them to click, and boost your ad rank. Okay, let's fix these now by uploading new images. Click on the product title to see its details. You'll see all the product info here. Click on the Edit Product button on the right. Scroll down to where we have product images. Remove the old image and upload the new one. You can upload directly from your computer or provide a URL from your store. After adding the new image, click Add, then click Save at the bottom. Now, you can also update your images on your Shopify store. To do this, just find the same product in your store, remove the low quality image, and replace it with one that meets Google's requirements. Once Google updates the feed, the changes will automatically reflect in the Merchant Center and the error will be resolved. Now go back to the product details and click on Needs Attention. This takes you to where Google flagged the issue. Here, you can request a manual review after fixing the issue. For this issue specifically, Google will automatically update the feed and check if the problem is resolved within 24 to 48 hours. Once it's fixed, the disapproval will disappear and your products will show on Google Shopping again. If you want to speed things up, you can reach out to Google support and ask them to recrawl your product page. We've got a video linked down below that walks you through the steps to contact Google support, so be sure to check that out. And that's it. You've just fixed the disapproval and updated your product. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.